Introducing the Sueki from former professional snowboarder Toshiyuki Sueki, an innovative creation that lets you turn your snowboard into a snow bike. Having suffered a career-ending injury, Sueki initially created the Sueki as a means of getting back on the slopes. By adding a seat, handlebars, and a suspension frame to a snowboard, the Sueki is an easy and fun winter activity anyone can enjoy. Unlike the hours of practice required to master riding a snowboard, this incredible board is so easy to ride that anyone from small children to the elderly can enjoy a trip down the slopes. Just hop on and go! For those who already possess snowboarding or skiing experience, the Sueki is also capable of providing a thrilling high-speed rocket ride. Though you're riding in the seated position, you can still carve into turns and blast across the snow, with amazing stability on a variety of surface conditions. The Sueki can be used with virtually any standard 4x4 snowboard, but thinner freestyle boards work best. If a lack of ability has kept you off the slopes, the Sueki could put you right in the action. This is the perfect snow chain from South Korean company Taeyoung, an easy and effective solution for driving in snow. Easy enough for anyone to install, the perfect snow chain comes with everything you need. First, check the chart to determine which tire nuts will require adapters, and place the adapters on the nuts. Next, use the measuring tool to determine the correct bolt attachment. Add the spacers and bolts, place the plate onto the tire, and tighten the bolts. Now you're ready to add the snow chain. Start by attaching the outer components to the centerpiece, and use the pop-open center lever to adjust the width. Place the assembly onto the tire, making sure to align it carefully. Next, use the provided tool to lock the assembly to the adapter plate. To tighten the assembly around your tire, spin the lever again, and then close it. Easy, right? Easy to install and proven to be effective, the perfect snow chain is perfect for winter driving. Check out the Snow Wolf, possibly the world's best tool for safely removing snow. If this is how you've been shoveling snow, recent studies have shown that you're risking severe injury or even a heart attack. Also known as the Snow Wobble, this welcome innovation is designed to greatly reduce these risks while making the job much easier. With virtually no effort, the Snow Wolf lets you clear away snow 3 times faster than using a shovel, all without twisting or lifting. To use the Snow Wolf, just push the chipper plate along the ground to scoop up the snow, then simply lift and throw. One of the first things you'll notice about the Snow Wolf is its large wheel, which allows you to easily travel over steps, curbs, or other obstructions. It also enables the Snow Wolf's unique configuration. Because the shovel is positioned at the center of the wheel, the Snow Wolf uses leverage to dramatically reduce the amount of weight your body is required to lift. With all these benefits, it's hard to believe some people are still using a shovel. Maybe they're snowblind. This is the ATR Orbiter, a small but powerful autonomous robotic snowplow from Italian company ATR Robotics. Billed as the ultimate snow technology robot, this fully electric snowplow is operated by remote control and can stay on the job for 3 hours. With its stainless steel front lift that can be outfitted with a snow blade or automated front bucket, the ATR Orbiter can really move some snow. Its tracks give it superior terrain handling capabilities, and its powerful winch can pull vehicles several times its size. Even on steep inclines of up to 71 degrees, the ATR Orbiter can be counted on to clear the way. Check out the RoboPlow, a 6-wheeled snow-busting robotic snowplow from Idea Laboratories. Apparently this guy got tired of shoveling snow and built a robot to do the job. While RoboPlow doesn't use tracks, this rugged little 6-wheel drive creation seems to have no trouble powering through some pretty heavy snow. With onboard battery charging, a 10-watt LED array for night driving, a camera, and a movable 50-inch snowblade, the RoboPlow has impressed quite a few people online. And he looks pretty impressed too. Meet Grip Force, an amazingly clever shoe technology that's changing the game in winter footwear. Created by Bjartil Sjosvard, Grip Force makes life easier and safer for those living in areas where ice commonly forms on the street. Though all the company's boots contain ice cleats, Grip Force allows you to walk indoors without damaging the floor. Grip Force uses a small switch tucked into the inside of each boot. To place the sole into the on position, turn the lever to the position that shows the red dot. This allows the soles to compress when you walk, causing the cleats to extend down into the ice with each step. When going indoors, you can leave the soles in the on position on most floor surfaces without damaging the floor. Walking on wood floors requires deactivation, which simply involves turning the lever into the opposite position. Grip Force technology is stealthy and unnoticeable to anyone. With a wide variety of attractive styles and types available, you're bound to find the perfect boot for you. The next time ice threatens, these amazing boots help you get a grip, indoors or out. Check out the Sled Legs, an amazing pair of wearable leg sleds that let you shred the slopes in a fun and easy way. Created by a team led by Michigan resident John Maroney, Sled Legs are putting the fun back in family snow sports. Instead of a boring ride on a snow sled, Sled Legs give you the maneuverability of skis or a snowboard. Attached to your lower legs, these amazing creations give you blazing speed across the snow, incredible maneuverability in turns, and the freedom to launch off a jump without worrying about losing your gear. Sled Legs include an adjustable strap and a cushion grip foam insert for an excellent fit and a comfortable feel. The durable outer shell can absorb continuous punishment and includes control runners that let you track, cut, and carve. Sled Legs are available in a small size for riders 4 to 5 feet tall, weighing up to 150 pounds, and a larger size for adults. Fun and safe for kids while challenging and exciting for adults, Sled Legs lets your entire family enjoy the slopes together. So grab some Sled Legs and find your hill. Introducing the Big Snow Kit from the Invento company, a mind-blowing modular kit that lets you build a multitude of different snow gliders. Created for kids of all ages, and the kid in you, the Big Snow Kit consists of hundreds of parts that you can use to make snow choppers, snow carts, sleds, and more. Buildable projects include the 4-in-1 Junior Kit, which can be used to create the Yeti for kids as young as 1 year old, as well as the Everest Snow Cart. I wonder what he's up to. The Junior Kit is also used to make the Blizzard Snow Trike and the slightly larger Big Blizzard for kids ages 3 to 7. Larger projects include the Dual Ski Super Sledge, which lets you and a child 3 years old and up ride together. The Icebreaker is a cool snow chopper for kids 7 to 14, and the Ski Block lets kids 8 and up sit in grand glory atop a single ski. Described by Invento as a life-size Lego kit for the snow, the Big Snow Kit can bring your family together indoors and out on the slopes. Check out the mighty MTT-136, an insane electric track-driven vehicle from creator Yvon Martel. Designed to cut through or power over anything in its path, this powerful tracked delivery vehicle can take you and your cargo between 45 and 220 kilometers through the worst conditions winter has to offer. Its 345-centimeter Caterpillar tread system cuts through snow like a knife through butter. Though not depicted, the MTT-136 can also serve as the portable generator to provide power for your tools, lights, and other electric items. Should your regular vehicle get stuck in the snow, the MTT-136 has the torque to pull it to safety. When you can't afford to let snow keep you from your destination, the MTT-136 delivers.